In this Monopoly Go tutorial, I'll walk you through the gameplay, give you hints and suggestions, and show you how to win. Let's get right into the gameplay first. Monopoly Go's gameplay is not particularly complex. By hitting the Go button, you progress down the Monopoly board and roll the dice. You can amass cash along the way, attack rival players' cities, pull off bank heists, and buy new lands. Some areas of the board, like the community chest and chance cards, might reward you or demand that you pay taxes. Shutdown and bank heists are the two most profitable roles. Shutdown. The shutdown enables you to gain a lot of money by attacking another player's city. You will only earn half the amount of money if the attack is blocked. However, if the opposing player runs out of shields, you will win the full sum. In addition, other players may shut down your buildings, which will cost money to repair. You can defend yourself from attacks in shutdown mode by holding up to 3 shields at once. You won't be able to deflect assaults after your shield supply is depleted, but if you land in a particular area of the board, you'll receive a free shield. In the card matching game Bank Heist, you can steal money from other players. Up until you match 3 identical cards, you can turn over as many cards as you wish. More money can be taken the bigger the theft. Spend all of your money before quitting the game to reduce losses, since players can also steal it through a bank heist. Building upgrades. You can add homes to your board and increase your income by using the money you earn to buy and upgrade structures. Building improvements and new construction boosts your wealth, enabling you to relocate to a new city. While relocating to a new place offers more profitable employment opportunities and higher salaries, it often necessitates more expensive building upgrades. Check out the Quick Wins button in the top bottom left corner of your screen for side missions that can earn you money or rolls. This video, I hope, was beneficial. Much appreciation for your attendance. For more content, subscribe,